The Arizona Peace Officer Standards and Training Board, better known as AZPOST, just released a new semi-automatic handgun qualification course. This is pretty big news, as the new course completely revamps the qualification. And it's fairly rare for Post to make a change of this magnitude with respect to firearms. So it's no surprise that the new changes have caused quite a bit of stir in the law enforcement community. This week, we will break down the new qualification and talk about each string of fire. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney for AZCOPS in Arizona. First, let's look at the target and scoring system. The qualification uses a TQ21 target, just like the previous qualification did, so users won't see a change in the silhouette. Instead of an overall 250 points, there will be a total of 200 points possible. The point values remain the same at 5 points per round. However, the total amount of rounds has decreased from 50 to 40. The minimum score is 170, or an 84%, meaning the shooter can miss up to 6 rounds. So let's look at the individual strings of fire. Starting from the 5-yard line, the shooter will complete 3 separate strings of fire, each requiring the officer to raise and fire 3 rounds center mass in 3 seconds. Simple enough. The catch is that the shooter must do this while moving from the 5-yard line to the 3-yard line. Once directly forward, once forward diagonally to the left, and once forward diagonally to the right. After these 3 iterations, the shooter performs a tactical reload or tactical exchange and moves to the 7-yard line. At the 7-yard line, the shooter performs 2 strings of 3 rounds center mass in 3 seconds, once from the holster and once from the ready position. The next 2 strings of fire require 2 rounds center mass in 4 seconds. The first is from the holster using the primary hand only, and the second is from the ready position using the support hand only. The final string of fire from the 7-yard line requires the shooter to draw from the holster and fire 6 rounds center mass, perform an empty gun reload, and fire 3 more rounds center mass in 12 seconds. After these 5 iterations, the shooter performs a tactical reload and moves to the 15-yard line. At the 15-yard line, the shooter begins by drawing from the holster, firing 2 rounds center mass, performing a speed reload, and firing 1 more round center mass in 10 seconds. The next 2 strings of fire are 2 rounds center mass, 1 round to the head in 6 seconds, once from the holster and once from the ready position. For the final string of fire, the shooter inserts a loaded magazine on an empty chamber. They then draw from the holster and attempt to fire, fix the malfunction, fire 2 rounds center mass, and 1 round to the head in 10 seconds. If you have any questions, comments, or the occasional emotional outbursts about the new Arizona qualification, drop them in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and remember to turn on notifications. They really do help the channel grow. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.